Hi everybody, this is Maureen of Maureen97 Designs. Over in the Sewcialites group on Facebook, I've been posting pictures of my finished blocks and also a picture of the coloring page with the pictures of my blocks laid over it, where they're, air quotes, supposed to go. So I've been getting a lot of questions on how I do that, and so today I wanted to do a quick little video to show you a couple ways you can do it, and let's get started. Okay, the first way we're going to do it is in Microsoft Word. So you get a blank document open, and then over at the toolbar on the top here, you're going to go into Insert, Picture, and then I would insert a picture from this device, which is my computer. And I have my Sewcialites folder full of great stuff in here. So let me just open up the coloring sheet. And then what you're going to want to do is over here on the right hand side of the picture, you're going to want to do a text wrapping setting. You don't want it in line with text, you want some sort of text wrapping setting, and it doesn't really matter which one. And then you're going to click off of it because we're going to come back up to the top and insert another picture, this time the picture of the block that we want to insert. So here it is down here, and again you want to do the same thing. You want to pick a text wrapping because that allows your pictures to go on top of each other. And then I'm just going to find where this block goes. Actually, let me shrink it down a little. So you just drag the corner to make it bigger or smaller. I'm going to drag it down, and it keeps its aspect ratio when you use that corner. And I'm just going to find where that block goes, which is right here. So I'm going to move a corner of the block to match with one corner on the sheet, and then I'm just going to drag the corner again to make it small enough to fit right in that block. And then if I click off of it, you can see how it's inserted. And I can just I can click on it again to select it. I can use my arrow buttons to move it around. And then when I'm done, I'm just going to save this as a Word document, and I'm going to open it each week and put in my block. Now the way you can share it is you use this down here, which is the snip and sketch tool that is on most PCs, and I just capture a picture of it and share it on the group. Okay, and the second method I'm going to show is using the Silhouette Studio software that I've been showing in the past couple of videos on how I use it with my quilting. So what I'm going to do is come up here to the folder, or I can use the file open, and I'm going to go into my Sewcialites folder again and open up that blank coloring sheet, and you're going to see it comes out really giant. So what I can do is just click on it to select it, and then I can come up here to the top, this sizing toolbar, and I want to click the lock aspect ratio, and then I'm going to make it let's see, 8.5. And then you're going to see it's off the screen. So all I have to do is come up here to the middle, and this is the centering button. And so that'll center it on this page. Of course, if I want to look at it bigger, I can make it bigger or smaller. And if I want to make it really big, I can always zoom out and make the sheet size bigger if I want to, so that I can see the blocks even better, like that. Then I'm going to go back up and open a picture of my block, and again I'm going to select it, lock the aspect ratio, and then I'm going to make it smaller, and then I'm actually going to right click here and cut, and then close that tab, and I don't need to save it. Then I'm going to go into my coloring sheet and paste in front, and it's actually up here, and it's a little bit too small, so I can actually make it bigger to fit right over that block. And then I'll save this, and again it's going to save as a studio file, which you cannot share in the group. So what you would do is again use the snip and sketch tool and copy the picture and paste it into the group, or you can paste it wherever you want to share, like Instagram. The other options are you can use a photo editing program as long as it has layers, like Photoshop. You can layer your block picture over your coloring page picture, and that's really simple to do as long as you have anything that uses layers. So I hope this helps, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Until next time, I'll see you later.